Hello, I'm Helen Wells and this class is called Going Wild. It's all about growing ideas from a starting point we have found outside in nature. It's about finding visual stimulus for our art making in the world around us. By the end of the sessions, I'm hoping you'll have found a little inspiration from a walk outside or time in a garden or park. And you'll have some new art making techniques and processes which you can take and make your own. We'll be finding ideas outside in nature and we'll be growing these ideas into wild and wonderful pages in our sketchbooks. We'll be finding interesting details, we'll be looking for tools such as twigs to make unusual marks, we'll be drawing, we'll be making collages and having fun by exploring how nature can be our muse and a constant source of inspiration for our art making.